We are here at the chocolate factory, and I already could smell it, and it smells so milky chocolate. See y'all inside. Chocolate factory. See all that chocolate being made. So what did you think about the tour in the chocolate factory?
It's amazing, and the chocolate is so freaking delicious. It's melting in my mouth. I mean, it's swap chocolate with my mouth full, but it's so delicious. Oh my God.
I mean, look at
Chocolate is delicious.
look at all the pieces I got, and then I have some in my bag and in my pocket, because I can't eat it all because the smell walking through here is so enticing.
Oh my God,
And then,
it's delicious.
and then the different tasters, they do a good job.
So good, went back for twice the same time. Oh my God. Amazing. Ciao.
It's the best one cheese on the wall. It's a really walking factory.
I'm inside the cheese factory, getting ready to go on a tour. How to get milk from a cow. This is how the cheese is being made at the cheese factory. This is how the cheese is being made at the cheese factory. And these are the machines.
It's like very familiar, yes.
So this is our meal at the cheese factory. We get to taste the cheese.
So good. 2 weeks of this.
Fondue.
Everywhere you go.
It's not as flavorful as the one that you get.
Oh, is that?
Yeah, but I like that about it. I got overwhelmed with this one. Yeah, very fresh.
Yeah. And we are going to
Good.
visit at the